yellow mango, king of the fruits, it's very, very sweet. Eat it in summer, eat it every day. Never say no to it, that is the way. Vitamins and minerals, there are lots in it. Good for your health, it will keep you fit. Eat it as a salad or drink it as a milkshake. Eat it as an ice cream or have it as a cake. This is a mango, a yellow, yellow mango, king of the fruits, it's very, very sweet. Eat it in summer, eat it every day. Never say no to it, that is the way. Vitamins and minerals, there are lots in it. Good for your health, it will keep you fit. Eat it as a salad or drink it as a milkshake. Eat it as an ice cream or have it as a cake.
Mom, mango. Yummy, tasty mango. Green mango, yellow mango. It takes two to tango. It's not just a fruit, but the king of fruits. Grows during summer and it looks so cute. When it's raw, it tastes a little sour. Eaten when it's ripe gives a lot of power. Mango. Yummy, tasty mango. Green mango, yellow mango. It takes two to